In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Wix blog to your website. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all the changes to your website layout and content. So make sure you are on the correct site before moving forward. Once the editor has loaded, look over to the left-hand menu and click Add Elements, which is the plus icon. This opens the panel where you can insert new sections and features into your website. From there, scroll down until you find the blog option. When you see it, select it, and then click Add to Site. Wix may take a few seconds to install the blog and place it onto your website. So just give it a moment to finish loading. Once it's added, you'll be able to see the blog section directly inside your editor. Next, click on the blog itself and then choose Manage Posts. This will take you into the area where you can create and organize your blog content. In the top right corner, click Create New Post. This opens the post editor, where you can begin building your first article. Now add your blog post title. Write your text and insert any media you want to include, such as images or other visuals that support your content. Take your time here, because a clear title and well-structured content make your blog easier to read and more appealing to visitors. Once everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make the post live. After publishing your content, you can customize how the blog looks on the front end of your website. To do this, go back to the editor and click the blog feed element. This is the part your visitors will see when they browse your blog. Then click Settings to choose which details appear, such as the post date, author name, or social share icons. This is useful if you want a cleaner look or if you want to show more information to encourage engagement. Next, click Layouts to try different visual styles. You can preview options like side-by-side, magazine, or grid and choose the one that fits your website best. After that, click Design to update things like colors and fonts so your blog matches the rest of your branding. Keeping the design consistent helps your site feel more professional and polished. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.